The initial password is 0000. In lock position is at unlock position green part. Now we change the password to be 1111 and lock it. Mix the code and you can't unlock it. You can only unlock by correct password 1111. After you unlock it, you can set another new password to 2. If forget password, the previous password is 2. And you can't unlock it by wrong code. Then we can solve it by key. Insert key and turn 90 degrees. Then push the back button while you turn the front code. If black button goes deepest, it means correct password. And let's operate it one by one until find rest passwords. Now we can pull out key after you find correct password.